在英国一个退休以后才开始学吉言的阿嬷哦，今年90岁咯，也毋过哦，伊的脚手是真溜咧。有未少少年人拢属于阿嬷是讲哦，伊的人生70才开始，嘛鼓励大家活到老，就爱当到老。
手头带好，头套护具拢套好，桌边即个脚手真沙咧。吉言的选手其实是一个已经90岁阿嬷。
If I can do it, anybody can do it. I'm a living example. There is life after 70, 80, or even 90.
住伫英格兰东北部城镇的即个阿嬷讲，伊67岁才开始学吉言，到即阵也是感觉学甲真欢喜，连真少岁青少年拢捌是伊的手下败将。即个10岁的挑战者甲阿嬷结交了后，一直讲阿嬷实在是真厉害。
From that session, I've learned a lot. She's gone to the Olympics. She's 90 years old, and I wondered if I could do that. So I want to try and be like her.
阿嬷毋若家己一直练剑术，即阵担任镇上的吉言俱乐部的主席，鼓励大家活到老，振动到老。
It's a hobby that's taken over my life. I can say no more than that. I just love it.
阿嬷真爱吉言，活甲健康佮快乐，伊也希望大家拢会找到相伴一生的运动项目。讲是新闻，张慧敏编译。